Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Well, today I'm sitting in a 2014 Land Rover Freelander 2, or LR2 as it's called in America, and I'm just going to show you how to adjust the clock. It's that time of year where we have to change the clock because of daylight savings, so I thought this might be helpful to some of you. So as you can see, I've just got on nav mode on the screen there. There's actually three places the clock displays, so we have the analog clock down here, the time up in the corner, and of course in the dash up there as well when you're driving. So it can be quite annoying if it's showing the wrong time. So we're just going to go down here to the buttons and we're going to hit setup. Now it'll take you to this black screen where you've got screen, system, voice and audio. So we're going to go ahead and press system, and then we've got clock adjust there. So you can go for 12 hours to 24 hours. You can manually update the time. So I'm going to go back an hour, and then when I hit set, you'll actually see even the analog clock goes back. So that's all done now. Once we go out of here, you'll notice even on sat nav mode it updates the time absolutely everywhere. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.